Hello friends, welcome back. This is Teresa Tommy. Today I want to talk to you about the curry plant. The curry plant is native to India and it is grown as a tree. Every Indian would like to have a curry plant in their home. I got this curry plant about 5 years ago from my friend Cicely. I took care of the plant and it gave us many baby plants too. Now we have to remove them for the mother plant to grow nicely. There are two ways by which the curry plants are propagated, from the seeds and from the seedlings that are grown from the roots. Look, all these are yogurt containers which I am going to be reusing to transplant these seedlings. First we have to water the plant nicely to loosen the soil so it's easy to remove the seedlings. Now we can prepare the soil. So the container that you are going to use should have holes at the bottom for good drainage. I normally put some mulch or wood chips at the bottom. And we can use the all-purpose potting mix. The soil is well moist now, and we can just pull on a seedling and it will come out nicely. This has a few roots on it and we can just transplant it to the soil that we have already prepared. And we can put more soil to anchor it in the pot. Press it down and water it. The first week you can water it every day and keep it in a shaded place, and after that you need to water it only once a week. This plant can stay in this pot for a year and you need to change the pot only next summer. I have planted them all in different containers. I'll be watering them every day for 1 week, then every week. You can prune your curry plants before you bring them outside in summer. And you can fertilize them once a month with any organic fertilizer.